Welcome back to the research world. In this video tutorial, I will guide you on the APA 7th edition general formatting rules, that is, font size, line spacing, margins, alignment, indents, and page numbers. So how to do these settings? Let's follow the steps. First of all, we have the font size. You can use Times Roman or Calibri or the Arial or the Georgia font style, and you can select any font style here. For example, Times Roman or Calibri, etc. While you can select the size from here for the Times Roman, it's 12 of the other font styles, it is 11. Second one is the line spacing. For the line spacing, click here. That is line and paragraph spacing, and you need to select 2. That is, you can see it is 2.0, that is double space. The third one is the margins. For the margins, go to the Layout section, then select Margins. And you need to select the 1-inch margin, that is the normal. The next one is the alignment. Select your text and go to this first one, that is the left alignment. The next one is the indentation. For the indentation, you need to go to the Layout, then select this paragraph, Setting, select the left, and then select the first line, and then by 0.5 and click OK. You can see it has indentation with the first line of every paragraph by 0.5 inches, and then is the page numbers. For the page numbers, go to the Insert tab, then in the Insert tab, click on the page numbers, and the requirement is top right corner of each page. This one is the top right corner, so click on it, and you can see that page number is located the top right corner. So in this way, you can select the general formatting rules in the APA 7th edition.